Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to present to you Atterberg remit. We are group 8. First of all, we are taking soil from the field or from the site. After taking that soil, we bring it in the lab. We put it in sieve set. That sieve set have a serious load of separating particles according to their size. After putting that soil on sieve set, we put it again on shaking machine. That shaking machine, which is setting automatically for 5 minutes of ending that process of shaking that soil. Then, after shaking that soil, we we take fine soil from that shaking machine. After taking that fine soil from the shaking machine, we mix it with water for getting a good solution of water in that soil. After mixing that soil well, we get a kind of paste, and then we take that paste and we put it into Casagaland apparatus. After putting that mixed soil with water on Casagaland apparatus, we take also grooving tools which help us to cut a line in that paste. That line which passing in the center of that paste. Then we cut that line. After cutting that line, we start counting number of drops for the purpose of that paste regain its initial shape, or we become together as it was initially. And then we take a sample of that soil, we put it on can and read.
For plastic limits test, we take the sample from that soil which has been wetted, and then that sample put on grass after we mold it for the given time, so that we will get small pieces which cannot come again together. After we take that small pieces, we put on can, and again we put in the oven for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we again go to remove, and again we measure the mass of dry soil and the can. Finally,
twakamejeje
for those tests about liquid limit, we take 4 different sample of soil, and for plastic limit, we take 3 different sample of soil. After we use to fill the table, the format of table. For liquid limit, the water content is the one which corresponds with the 25 drops on the graph. And again we measure the plastic index, liquid index, and other things. As conclusion, this test will help someone to know the water content in the soil and how the soil is how stiffness the soil have, or how it is hard, so that it can support some structures. It is important to review that video so that you can know how this test was done.